Bounty killer smoke coke long time. Bounty killer smoke coke when him they don't receive you. When them
You say if killer forgive you? If killer forgive you, he must see God's face. And his heart is whiter than snow. You beat killer bad, you know, bro. Yeah, man. I remember saying me killer no good, you know. And when me tell you say you beat killer bad, bro.
Remember killer, no ramp with me. Remember you shit in an angel bed, you know. Remember say you shit in an angel bed, you know.
That's still up on the internet, bro. And to add insult to injury, every time it's like you know, somebody do something to somebody and I relive it. Or keep on doing it. You're pretending as if you never do nothing. That's the type of problem, you know. You're pretending as if you did not. You cuss say, oh, you go link Khalid them, and you go link this, and then Ray, and you go link up Cartel them, and Ray, blah, blah, blah. Khalid them used to go to Jamaica, go check killer when killer can't come to America, bro. Khalid them, when they run project, killer affid upon it, bro. So you think, say, killer rate you over Khalid?
What foota do you? If you can't see eye to eye with foota and know say foota do wholly for your career. In the music and out of the music. But you will big malice with foota. Oh, cause foota not have the place like our Cartel have the place. And like our Khalid have the place. Oh.
You mad, man? We can't find nothing on the internet where DJ Khalid disrespect Bounty Killer. Nothing. Zero. Killer them man the God virgin. We can find stuff on the internet where you as a killer lick out all body, bro. That is not something where you tell your friend. When you tell the man story and I say, yo, the man make him mother drop out, bro. That enough, bro. And it's like you're so, you know, you're coming like Tico, the man, so it's like the man bare face with it, bro. Like the man say them thing, they expect the man to just jump up and just say, yo, everything good, bro, come in, foota. You get up every day and I say, foota, the people them not gonna book you. Stop build enemy. Excuse me. With the people them where you seek employment from. Why them not book you, bro? You know why them not book you? It's not because you're straight. So I'm not around straight. It's because you're going like you're oh so righteous than everybody else in the world, bro. You're not going to have any money to feed your family. You're not going to have any money to feed yourself. You're going to dead for hungry, brother. A good you, I could set up a GoFundMe for him. Because real youth. I could set up a GoFundMe for you, brother. And nobody make pride, I cannot take it foota. Cartel come out. The man give. Cartel boy, you forgive everybody, you know. Cartel turn one new page and just forgive everybody. All of who and him did a problem. Black Rhino them, Ja Vinci them, not nice them. Everybody Cartel just I forgive. Cartel come like in get up, in turn Christ, in baptize him born again. Jesus touch him heart, touch him soul, and him just say, yo. And the man give Sean Storm a little vehicle. And you literally come on the internet, bro. Come like you want the man them for war, bro. The man come out, the man them spend 13 years in prison. And I feel them think that, bro. And the man buy the man a little vehicle. See? And you come like you want to plant a seed. of hatred, of divisiveness between the man them, brother. I mean, watch you do that and watch people about a two man. I one thing, 1 foot of hype, a two man, and them think they make you produce all of a dopamine and make you have a euphoric experience. You feel like say, yeah man. You go out to New York and paint mummy. And when you paint mummy, you feel like say you're the greatest thing because you sow a seed of this unity between the man them and feel like say, yo, that is something good. So it come like that your tablet. That your thing there. That your erectile tablet. Erectile dysfunction tablet. Come like even with Carter and Lisa hype something, brother. You see, say the girl a spiral. And you come like a gas you pour in that thing, bro. Blood clean. Foota. Let me tell you something, bro. If you go so hard and to any
So there you have it, guys. Mr. Vegas I give him 2 cents for the argument. Foota hype. I call Bounty Killer. Cokehead. So I wanna think Jamaican are them best TV. What I really think about it, so left on the comment in the comment section and tell me what you think.